Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
It is on fire.
Nana, you wanted the chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, what y'all cooking? A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana the Saucy Chef. She's Nana the Saucy Chef. She's Nana the Saucy Chef. She's Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making potato salad. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 4 medium russet potatoes, and you want to cube them. 1.5 cups of mayonnaise. 6 boiled eggs, and you want to divide them into the egg white, and you want to chop them up. And also the egg yolk, you want to go ahead and mash them with a fork. 1.5 tablespoons of yellow mustard. 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder. 2 teaspoons of dried parsley flakes. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of salt. And 1 teaspoon of paprika. You also want to keep out your parsley flakes and your paprika to put on top at the end. And guys, make sure you watch the video all the way through. To a pot of boiling water, I'm going to add in my tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder. You can go ahead and mix it. Or you can add in your potatoes. You can go ahead and give them a good mix. We're going to let them cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Once your potatoes are done cooking, you want to turn off your heat. We're going to go ahead and drain them. To a large bowl, I'm going to add in my mayonnaise. Then I'm going to add in my yellow mustard. To that, I'm going to add in my paprika, salt, black pepper, and also my parsley flakes. Now you just want to go ahead and give it a good mix until everything is well combined. Now I'm going to add in my egg white and also my egg yolks. And now you can add in your potatoes. Now you just want to mix everything until it's well combined. Guys, remember I said you can add onion and celery if you would like, and you can go ahead and give it a taste. If you need to add any more seasoning, you can do it now. Even if you wanted to add a little bit more mayonnaise, if you prefer, you can do that also. Okay guys, so you can go ahead and take some of your parsley flakes, and we're going to put some over top, and also your paprika. Okay guys, so here we have it, our potato salad. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?